Hey everybody, this is the dashboard. Now, as this video starts, you're going to want to watch the black Tahoe that's in the hammer lane, the fast lane. Now, traffic was stop and go because this happened on Thanksgiving weekend, and it was near Daytona, which was hosting the Turkey Rod Run car show. So, this Tahoe decided that they really didn't want to wait in traffic, and they decided to make their own lane to pass cars in the emergency lane. Now, this guy didn't do it once. I saw him do it twice. So I got the first one on video, and then I caught up to him a little while later and got the second one on video. And this is the video.
Shall we see how many car tags we can identify?
Nope, I ain't worried about it.
Look at that idiot. There's one for your camera, huh?
Yep, you can see it.
Now he's back in line up 2-3 cars ahead. Ain't no need getting in no big hurry, huh?
Not when traffic keeps stopping every couple of miles. Oh look, there he is again.
No, I guess it's a good thing we're not in a big hurry to get home. Oh, come on, people.
Wait for it. Wait for it. Wait for it. Wait for it. Oh look, there he is again. There he goes again.
Yeah.
Hey you. Yeah, you. If you enjoyed this video and want me to continue making these videos, leave a like, leave a comment, share this video, even click that little subscribe button. Come on, you know you wanna.